Hey guys, Huawei is set to launch their new and exciting smartphone series, the Huawei P40 series. The Huawei P40 series will launch on March 26th. Recently, Huawei posted a video teasing the upcoming P40 series. This series will have two new smartphones, Huawei P40 and Huawei P40 Pro. I am particularly excited about the Huawei P40 Pro because all the leaked specifications of Huawei P40 Pro hint some great things. The company's upcoming P40 series is confirmed to launch with a tagline Visionary Photography. This tagline obviously means great photography experience in Huawei P40 series. We have very important information about the rear camera setup of the Huawei P40 Pro. The Huawei P40 Pro will most likely offer a massive Sony IMX700 52-megapixel sensor, IMX 650 40-megapixel ultra-wide-angle Cine RGB sensor, 3D TOF sensor and a color temperature sensor. The rear camera on the flagship Huawei P40 Pro will likely support 3x optical zoom and something never before seen, 10x optical dual prism periscope zoom backed by 2P1G lenses. The 10x optical zoom surely sounds exciting. It might give the Galaxy S20 series a tough competition. Some leaks are suggesting triple front camera setup in Huawei P40 Pro. Now 3 front cameras is very exciting news. These cameras will be inside a pill-shaped cutout. That means Huawei is going with punch hole display panels for the P40 series. The 3-lens camera configuration might have one high-resolution primary sensor, an ultra-wide-angle lens and a depth sensor, possibly a 3D TOF sensor. As for the other important specifications, the Huawei P40 Pro will likely sport curved edge design and will be powered by the in-house high-silicon Kirin 990 processor. The 5G-enabled Huawei P40 series devices will possibly flaunt high refresh rate curved AMOLED display panels and will come in 8GB and 12GB RAM configurations. According to some rumors, Huawei P40 Pro could be priced around 999 euros, that is approximately 82,000 Indian rupees or $1,100, which will be the price for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant. The 8GB plus 256GB storage configuration could cost 1,099 euros, that is approximately 91,000 Indian rupees or $1,220. The top-end 8GB plus 512GB model might be priced at 1,249 euros, that is roughly around 1,03,000 Indian rupees or $1,400. The biggest downside of the Huawei P40 series is its lack of Google Play services support. So tell me in the comment section, would you invest in the upcoming Huawei P40 series handsets if they come without Google services? With that, we're at the end of this video. So guys, if you found this video helpful, then like the video. If you didn't like it, you know what to do. If you have any questions regarding this topic, then feel free to ask them in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel as you leave and also press that bell icon so that you will be the first one to watch my videos. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I am Raj and I will see you guys in my next video.